see here, that is guinea fowl droppings. You can tell it's guinea fowl because it's got the white underneath, which is the urine. But the nice thing is, it's overlooked by that massive rock there. I'm gonna get a snack. And a drink. It's fresh water. And then hole up on the rock until dusk when they start roosting. Okay. There's one guinea fowl. I don't know whether to wait and see if more are gonna come or try and shoot it. We're gonna give it 5 minutes to properly start roosting, so it's hopefully fast asleep. Yes! Got it. It's out of the tree.